We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, as we can see, the price almost tagged this first and second target. The first one is 2573, following by 2682. All right. No one see what's the next. Anyway, whoever get the trade is still they keep the trade. They haven't taken in the profit. They should book, at least if they want to keep for longer time, they should book some profit. Okay, no one see whether there is a continuation or not because the way is moving is really a bit corrective. Still, we can look for continuation. All right, but if we want to look for trade, we can look for short-term trade similar to what we get here. But we should know if we want to look for buy, we are buying at the top, and we at the most we want to see the breakout of 2900. Okay, buying within this range can be quite careful. That's why whoever wants to look for trade, they should consider as a short-term trade. The only thing is whether we can look for continuation or not. And in this case, first we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, almost we are within this correction. Can we expect this one turn to a flat? That's mean if this one turn to a flat, we can expect to get one more drop, or this is the start of the up move. That's why we want to see whether the price can break the previous top or not. Okay, now want to see how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to forward chart, and even based on forward chart, we mentioned the possibility of this one turn to a correction relative to this. First of all, the way is moving is quite sharp. We cannot expect the price to retest the previous low, but since most of the chart they following each other, we cannot conform with that. That's why if we want to look for next trade, we have to get a proper correction. And as long as the price haven't broke the previous top, that means any trade within this range, we need to be quite careful because we're buying at the top of this correction. The best was if we bought from here, from the lowest at the lower price. And right now, the only thing is we should start to manage our trades. All right. As I mentioned, whoever get the trade since the price tag, the take profit, and if anyone is still they haven't taken the trade in the profit, they want to keep the trade, they should start to book some profits. And even if you're looking for continuation, we can look for trade as a short move leg, but as a short term. All right. That's me right now. We don't have a really good trade setup for long term. All the trade is a short term, similar to what we get here. And the best things is we start to, we manage the trade, whatever the trade we have in this move, and we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any trade setup for long, then I will share. Mostly we want to see whether we can look for continuation and the price break can break the previous top or not, because it's still we can expect this one be a correction relative to this. That's why we need to be quite careful. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.